The heart is a vital organ that plays a central role in the circulatory system, which is responsible for delivering oxygen and nutrients to all cells and tissues in the body. Here's an overview of the heart and its functions. Anatomy of the heart. The heart is a muscular organ located in the chest, slightly tilted to the left. It is about the size of a closed fist and is surrounded and protected by the rib cage. The heart is divided into 4 chambers, 2 atria, upper chambers, and 2 ventricles, lower chambers. The right side of the heart is responsible for receiving deoxygenated blood from the body and pumping it to the lungs for oxygenation. The left side of the heart receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it out to the rest of the body. Function of the heart. The primary function of the heart is to pump blood throughout the body, providing oxygen and nutrients to the cells while removing waste products such as carbon dioxide. This process occurs through a series of steps. Blood circulation. The heart's pumping action ensures a continuous flow of blood through the circulatory system, which consists of blood vessels, arteries, veins, and capillaries. The circulatory system forms a closed loop, with blood being pumped away from the heart through arteries and returning to the heart through veins. Pulmonary circulation. Deoxygenated blood from the body enters the right atrium and is then pumped into the right ventricle. From there, it is sent to the lungs through the pulmonary arteries, where it undergoes gas exchange. In the lungs, carbon dioxide is released, and oxygen is absorbed into the bloodstream. Systemic circulation. Oxygenated blood from the lungs returns to the left atrium and is then pumped into the left ventricle. The left ventricle contracts forcefully to propel the oxygen-rich blood into the aorta, the body's largest artery. From the aorta, blood is distributed to all organs and tissues through smaller arteries, eventually reaching tiny capillaries where oxygen and nutrients are exchanged with the cells. Deoxygenated blood returns to the heart through veins to begin the process again. Cardiac cycle. The cardiac cycle is the sequence of events that occur during one complete heartbeat. It involves 2 main phases: diastole, relaxation phase, and systole, contraction phase. During diastole, the heart fills with blood as the atria contract and the ventricles relax. During systole, the ventricles contract, pumping blood out of the heart. Heart rate and rhythm. The heart rate refers to the number of times the heart beats per minute. It is influenced by various factors, including physical activity, emotions, and hormones. The normal resting heart rate for adults is typically between 60 to 100 beats per minute. The heart's rhythm is controlled by the electrical signals generated by a specialized group of cells in the heart known as the sinoatrial (SA) node, also called the natural pacemaker. Regulation of heart function. The autonomic nervous system controls the heart's rate and rhythm, with 2 branches, the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems, working in balance to adjust the heart rate based on the body's needs. For example, during exercise or stress, the sympathetic system increases heart rate, while the parasympathetic system slows it down during rest or relaxation. Overall, the heart's continuous pumping action ensures the proper distribution of blood and nutrients throughout the body, making it a crucial organ for maintaining overall health and well-being.